back to another one of my videos. My name's Steph. Welcome back if you know me already. If you don't, then maybe hit that subscribe to my channel and give me a ding-a-ling on the bell and all that stuff that you already know what to do if you like this video. Anyway, I'm going to be making rock cakes today. This is like a family recipe. It's been handed down. My dad's favourite cake in the whole wide world. He absolutely loves these cakes. So I'm making them today because they're supposed to be coming around tomorrow. So I thought I would make him a treat because he's such a lovely father and I love him to bits. So that's what I'm going to be showing today, how to make my famous rock cakes. Right, first of all, I would suggest that you have quite a big bowl because it does make quite a lot of ingredients, okay? So I suggest you have quite a big bowl. Then you need eggs and some dried mixed fruit. You need, excuse my hand, you need some soft margarine, okay? You can use butter, but the soft stuff it's just easier. You need self-raising flour, okay? And some good old milk, okay? I always call it milk because that's what my kids used to call it. And we should put the ingredients together and we should be making rock cakes, yay! You're going to need some scales to measure your ingredients, okay? Right, first of all, you need 16 ounces of self-raising flour, okay? So 16 ounces of self-raising flour, which is a pound of flour, okay? Right, next you need 8 ounces of soft margarine, okay? 8 ounces of soft margarine. Right, next rub your margarine into your flour so it goes sort of into breadcrumbs, okay? Rub it in, right? Use your hands, okay? Yeah, use your fingers, rub it in, okay, like this, okay, until you got nice breadcrumbs and all the margarine is mixed in, okay, into the breadcrumbs. You haven't got no lumps of margarine, all right? So it's all like this, all right? Yeah. Right, next we're going to add the sugar. Just going to wash my hands first. Right, now we've added the 6 ounces of caster sugar, okay? Just plain old white sugar, okay? 6 ounces, all right? Okay, and we're going to mix it in with the breadcrumbs, okay? And then we're going to add the eggs and the milk next, okay? Right, just like that. Now in this jug I've mixed 2 eggs, medium-sized eggs, and 100 ml of just normal milk, semi-skim milk, plain normal milk, whatever you want to put. And I'm going to mix it into the ingredients, okay? Might need to add some more milk, but we should judge that once I've mixed all the ingredients up, okay? So just add it into the ingredients and then just start stirring it up, okay, until it sort of forms quite thick dough. It's not like a sponge mix, okay? It is a thickish dough. Okay, I'm going to mix this up and I'll show you how thick it should be once I've mixed it all up, okay? Right, this is the dough when it is all mixed together. It is quite a thick dough, like I said, like this, okay? It's not a runny dough, okay? And now we're going to add the dry fruit, okay, to the mixture, and then we'll put it in baking tray and cook it in the oven. Yay! Right, let's put the mixed fruit in. Right, I've put in 6 ounces of dry mix through, it has raisins and sultanas and orange peel. Okay, and I've put in 6 ounces. Okay, I'm going to stir this all up, and then we can divide it and start cooking it in the oven. Okay, this is what it looks like when it's all mixed together. Okay, we've got all the raisins and the sultanas mixed into the mixture. Now I'm going to line a baking tray with some greaseproof paper, and then we should divide the mixture up and put it in the oven. Right, I've lined my baking tray with some greaseproof paper. I've used the margarine to stick it down with, and now I'm going to start putting my mixture into my tray, and then I'll show you how many it makes. Okay, show you in a sec. Right, there they are divided. This has made 12, okay, but I do have some left, so I'm going to make some more because my whole family really like these, so I'm going to make up another baking tray, and everyone will be so happy that there's more than there's supposed to be. Right, now what you do now, just sprinkle a little bit of sugar. Sorry. Sprinkle a little bit of sugar on the top of each one. Okay. Okay, just each one. Right, it's up to you how big you make them. They will expand in the oven, obviously. All right. Just sprinkle all of them with a bit of sugar. I'm going to put them in the oven. Go on 180. Okay. They take about 20 minutes. You'll know when they're done. I will show you when they're done because they start going brown on the top. You can just tell. I will show you anyway. Okay. I'm going to put them in the oven. Right, that mixture that I made 20 rock cakes. Okay. So I'm going to put them on in the oven now, and I'll show you when they're cooked. Right, this is what they look like when they come out the oven. Okay, lovely with a cup of tea, cup of coffee. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Bye for now. Bye everybody. Bye 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 bye.